We're going to whip together a strawberry buttercream frosting. Start with 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. We want 3/4 of a cup of softened butter. We're going to take our hand mixer and whip this together on medium speed until it's very creamy. Smooth and creamy. And we're going to add 4.5 cups of sifted powdered sugar. This strawberry buttercream frosting is the star of this cake. Let's mix this on low. Scraping the sides with a spatula frequently. I don't mind starting with the cake mix, but I do like to have my homemade frosting. Now let's put a teaspoon of vanilla. What is really going to take this frosting over the top is 1/3 cup of seedless strawberry jam. I'm actually using spreadable fruit instead of jam because there's enough sugar in here for me. To cut some wax paper strips and just lift that up. Squeezy. Spread a little bit, about 2/3 of a cup on here. Push it to the edge and a little bit over. Now I'm going to pick a layer and put the dome side up. You know, come back and take some of this top off. And again, go from the center and push out, first covering that part that I cut off. Another layer of strawberries. We saved the one layer that wasn't as domed. And what I normally do is just look and see, I'm a little high over here. So I'm going to put the low side there. And again, I'm pushing it from the center out. And to start filling in the sides. Go around this cake. That's our first step. Buttercream. Swirl it.